And also, even more strangely in a way, was odd things started to happen in my life, things that we might call luck or coincidence or synchronicity. I'd bump into people, sometimes who I'd never met before, other people who I hadn't seen for many years, and they would have an idea, or they would have an opportunity, or they would give me something that helped me further my success in my life. And the same with events. Things were happening they seemed to be really out of my control, but they were good things. I was meeting the right people, the right opportunities were coming along.